morning, class. Morning, sir. So our topic for today is just a very simple mathematics. One plus one, two. Two minus one.
One.
Nine plus nine.
It is.
One plus one. Oh, Isala! Isala! Ay, Isala!
Yeah, because
One plus one.
that one.
You foolish! You get out! Get out of the room!
Wow, the genius. Oh, the genius one. Can I have your browser from the tutorial? I said sorry. Aha. Chocolate prime, enriched with folic acid and taurine, that enhances memory sharpness, calcium for stronger bones, and lactobacillus casei for proper digestion. Three. Chocolate prime. Aha. Mm. Aha. Chocolate prime. Tastes good, huh? Aha. Dito, dito. Kasi yung nakaraan, binato sa ego, makitsid yan. Malim siya. Madali niya sa amin dun eh. Akit. Magandaan ba dun? Akit. Ayaw niya. Kahit doon sa likod doon. Rules niya bro. I got it! Yeah! Yeah! Time to go. Oh, the genius one. Genius one, huh? Okay, good morning. Good morning, sir. How are you, genius? I'm fine, sir. I'm fine. I sit down. Hey, before we start the class, let me give you for the simple direction. For today, we'll be having a recitation of the periodic content. We only have one item. The one who will be able to answer this question will automatically get 100 in my class, and the remaining thing that we will not be able to answer will fail. You understand? Yes, sir. You get me, people? Yes, sir. Okay. Question. Let's try your math power. 25 plus 13 minus 6 divided by 8 minus 3 plus 1. What did you get? And that's it done. Then multiply your answer to the specific gravity of Jupiter. Then add the result to the atomic number of Tantalus. And finally, divide it by the derivative of the slope of the Mount Everest with respect to the base camp where Mr. Russian and Mr. Gardose have stayed. Once you have the answer, raise it to the hyperbolic tangent of the cosine of negative 0.027. Now, what's the answer? Sir,
Yes?
the answer is one.
Yes! Amazing! How did you get that? You've got congratulations! You've got number 5!
Hey, Mr. Genius, what is your secret? Oh, good fun. Oh, contains, what's that? Huh? It contains folic acid and taurine that enhances memory sharpness,